Having trouble with no sound on your iPhone? It can be annoying, especially when you are trying to enjoy music, watch videos, or hear notifications. Don't worry, this guide will show you simple steps to fix the sound issue. Let's dive in. Before you start, Solution 1. Check important audio setting. Open setting, scroll down, tap sounds and haptics. Enable change with buttons. Make sure to turn up the volume to the maximum level. Solution 2. Adjust audio. Open setting, scroll down, tap accessibility. Scroll down, tap audio and visual. Turn on mono audio. Scroll down, make sure to set this audio point in the middle. Solution 3. Offload apps that are not giving you sounds like YouTube or Apple Music. Open setting, tap General, tap iPhone storage. Find out the apps that are causing issues like Apple Music or Spotify or YouTube. Tap Offload. Tap Offload again. Tap Reinstall. After that, restart your iPhone. Solution 4. Reset all settings. Open settings on your iPhone. Tap on General. Scroll down and tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap on Reset and select Reset all settings. Confirm your choice. Note, this will not erase your data but will reset settings like Wi-Fi passwords and wallpaper. Once your iPhone restarts, check if the sound works or not. These steps should help you fix the no sound issue on your iPhone. If this guide was helpful, make sure to subscribe for more troubleshooting tips. Stay tuned for our next video.